kilalanin natin ating mga festival jurors. Let's start with our chairman, Dean of the College of Mass Communications, UP Diliman, Dr. Roland Tolentino. The members of the jury, Miss Universe third runner-up, architect Miss Shamsi Supsup. Actor-director, Mr. Albert Martinez. National Commission for Culture and Arts Chairman and Musical Scholar, Mr. Felipe M. De Leon, Jr. From the religious sector, Father Larry Faraon. Philippine Star columnist and Chief Operating Officer of OB Montessori, Miss Maria Carmen Sequia Musni. Cinematographer, Miss Lee Mailey. Warner Brothers Picture Sales Manager, Mr. Rico Gonzalez. Our Muslim brother, Mr. Amrusi Tila Rasul.
Ang ating housewife, Miss Christine Lim Raimundo. A public school teacher, Mr. Leopoldo Miranda. Student, Mr. Jonal M. Diaz. As well as a bus driver, Mr. Arnold Aguas. At lahat naman po talaga ay represented ng lahat ng uri ng manonood.
And this year, we have once again chosen Alba Romeo and Company as our official auditor. Alba Romeo and Company is a Philippine member firm for International Network for the United Kingdom's BDO International Limited. We've just met our jurors. Here are the results of their long hours of deliberation.
Yan na!
We shall start with the winner of the best float during the Parade of Stars.
Best float na!
Yun na, best float na tayo.
Ha? At narito po ang awards for Best Float, followed by Best Production Design and the Best in Editing.
Yun.
The prize for Best Festival Float is ang Panday 2.
Isang ngalan ho ng bumubuo ng Imos Production at ng GMA Network Incorporated. Pinagpapasalamatan po namin ang MNFF. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
The nominees for Best Festival Production Designer, Nimrod Mitoy Santa Ana. From Enteng ng Inamo, Richard Somes. From Ang Panday 2, Fritz Hilorio and Mona Soriano. From Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story.
And the winner is Fritz Soriano and Mona Soriano, Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story.
Maraming salamat po sa bumubuo ng Metro Manila Film Festival at ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa award na ito. Itong award na to ay para sa bumubuo ng Kingpin, kay Governor E.R. Ejercito, na nagtiwala sa amin, kay aking co-PD si Mona Soriano, na siyang tumulong sa akin sa Maraming salamat po. At saka sa mga hindi ko nabanggit, thank you po.
The nominees for Best Festival Film Editor, Charlie Gohetia. From Enteng ng Inamo, Jason Kahapay and Ryan Orduna. From Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story, Tara Illenberger. From Yesterday, Today, Tomorrow.
The Best Festival Editor goes to Jason Kahapay and Ryan Orduna, Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story.
Maraming pong salamat sa bumubuo ng Metro Manila Film Festival. Nais ko din pasalamatan ng mga producer, ang Viva at ang Cinema Concept International. Sa kay Governor E.R. Ejercito. Thank you po sa pagtitiwala. Sa aking post house na We Love Post. Ay, bago po ko makalimutan, last na umakyat ako ng stage, di ko daw nabati yung asawa ko. Binabati ko yung asawa ko, Jennifer Kahapay. Baka magalit na naman sa akin.
Bago ang lahat, magpapasalamat ako sa T. Florencia Jewelry for my jewelry. At saka we would like to acknowledge, syempre naman, no, kita mo naman yung mga alahas ko ngayon, putok na putok, ha? The member of the Board of Judges, Miss Sarah Sullivan of the Philippine Star.
We go to the artists responsible for making a film memorable, or those who make a scene truly affecting.
Ladies and gentlemen, our awards for Best Musical Score and the Best Sound Recording are up next.
The nominees for Best Festival Musical Score: Jessie Lasaten. From Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story, Teresa Barroso, Alfred Ongleo, Gerald Taro. From Shake, Rattle and Roll 13.
And the best musical score of the festival was heard in
Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story.
Gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang ating mga producers, ang Viva, saka Cinema Concepts, lalong-lalo na rin po kay Gob, saka sa team ng Asyong, We Love po, saka pamilya ko, aking pamilya, si Emily, sa aking mga anak, at sa aking mga pamilya sa Cutting Edge. Para sa atin to. Salamat po.
The nominees for Best Festival Sound Recording: Mike Idioma. From Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story, Aurel Claro Bilbao. From Segunda Mano, Lamberto Casas Jr. and Alex Tombok. From Shake, Rattle and Roll 13.
And the winner is Mike Idioma, Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story.
Maraming salamat po sa MMFF, sa Board of Jurors. Maraming salamat po sa Cinema Concepts, sa Viva Films, kay Governor ER. Maraming salamat po sa grupo ng We Love Post.
Ang mga bata ang star ng pagdiriwang ng Kapaskuhan. Kaya sila ang pinaglalaanan ng mga regalo, pera at mga pamasko. Kaya naman labis ang kasiyahan sa mumunting regalong binibigay ng mga ninong at ninang. Gaya ng mga bata, ang MMFF ay meron din mga ninong at ninang. Sila ang mga punong lungsod ng bayan at lungsod ng Metro Manila na buo ang suporta sa industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino para ang MMFF ay makapagdala ng saya tuwing Pasko.
Sulitin natin ang panahon ng pagmamahalan at kasayahan with Talk and Text. Tipid sulit together.
Mga kaibigan, presenting the Best Visual Effects and Best Makeup categories.
The nominees for Best Festival Visual Effects: Digital Dodge. From Enteng ng Inamong, Eric Torrente. David Yu. From Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story, Riot Inc. From Ang Panday 2.
And the winner is Riot Incorporated, Panday 2.
First of all, I'd like to thank God for giving us the opportunity to work on this project, the jurors for giving us this award, and Senator Bong Revilla, our director, Mac Alejandre, and of course to my team, Riot, for their undying patience and all-out support on this project.
The nominees for Best Festival Makeup Artist: Florencia Pinero, Nicolo Medina, Nilo Cruz, J.D. Flores. From Enteng ng Inamong, Carolina Amparo, Baby Lucero. From Shake, Rattle and Roll 13.
And the winner for the Best Festival Makeup Artist is Florencia Penero, Nicolo Medina, Nilo Cruz, JV Flores for Enteng ng Ina Mo.
In behalf of the makeup team and the production design team of Enteng ng Ina Mo, we accept this award. Thank you, MMFF.
Dumako na po tayo sa dalawa pang mahalagang awards ngayong gabi.
Here are the jurors' choices for Best Original Theme Song, to be followed by Best Cinematography.
The nominees for Best Festival Original Theme Song: John Ilacad, from Enteng ng Ina Mo. La Paloma, Ellie Buendia. From Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story, Yesterday, Today, and Tomorrow, Wanda is Mine. From Yesterday, Today, Tomorrow.
And the Best Original Theme Song goes to...
La Paloma, Ellie Buendia, Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story. Yeah!
On behalf of Ellie Buendia and his group, for the lyrics that was composed by Ray Ventura, the arrangement of the song was made by Ellie Buendia. So congratulations to them, and thank you Metro Manila Film Festival for this award. Thank you.
The nominees for Best Festival Cinematography: Gary Gardose, from Enteng ng Ina Mo. Carlo Mendoza, from Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story. Gary Gardose, Alex Espatero, Pong Ignacio. From Shake, Rattle and Roll 13.
Eto na. And the Metro Manila Film Fest Best Cinematography Award goes to Carlo Mendoza, Manila Kingpin, The Asyong Salonga Story.
Thank you, Kuya Jess, for all the blessings. Thank you to the jurors. I believe that the cinematographer is only as good as his director. So maraming salamat, Direk Nicoy Aguiluz, for your vision for this film. You're a genius, Direk. I also want to thank our producer, Cinema Concept, for producing for taking a risk at a film like this.
Tradisyon ng ihain sa ating hapagkainan ang mga pagkain pinagsasaluhan ng buong pamilya. Minanan natin sa mga Kastila ang kaugaliang ito, kaya't ang mga pagkain mula sa kanluran na kastanyas, hamon at queso de bola ay talagang inaabangan sa lamesa. Matapos ang misa ng simbang gabi, nag-uunahan naman ng mga tao patungo sa pagkain Pilipino, gaya ng puto bumbong at bibingka. Ano man ang ating pagsaluhan, ang mahalaga ay ang pasasalamat sa pagsilang ng Panginoong Hesukristo.
Sulitin natin ang panahon ng pagmamahalan at kasayahan with Talk and Text. Tipid sulit together.